Obstürmt oder steigt,
Und die Sonne uns lacht, der Tag glüht heiß, oder eiskalt die Nacht. Bestaunt sind die Gesichter, doch wo ist unser Sieger?
Hello and welcome to an unboxing video for the Trumpeter Tiger 1 Ausf E mid-production battle tank. I know the Modelverse did not really need another unboxing video, but my little channel needs a content boost and my inner 12-year-old is dying to see what's inside the box.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
The kit is the Trumpeter Panzerkampfwagen 6 Ausf E Tiger 1 medium production model with optional Zimrit exterior surfaces. The kit is 1/35th scale and has a 2018 tooling. If you look it up on ScaleMates, the reference number is 09539. I found this kit on the 50% off table at my local hobby store, and when I saw that it was $22 and in pristine shape, I had to say, yes please. The box is huge and sturdy, about twice the size of the box for any of the Tamiya 135 Tigers that most of us have built at some point. The sprues and goodies are individually bagged and well organized. There's not a lot of slop inside the box, and these things won't move around very much, which is good. The kit has 550 parts, though some will not be used, depending on the options that you choose along the way. The kit can be built with or without Zimrit, and the kit has dual parts, such as the mantlet for each option. The kit has a couple of adverts for other kits and tools, and a nice painting guide for several regions and time frames of the model. The instructions seem clear and very well illustrated, including the Panzer VI bogey system. Lots and lots of non-interchangeable bogies to keep organized while pre-painting. In previous kits, I've found that paper cups labeled with part numbers are handy in keeping these straight. The track is a styrene link construction, so it won't move, but it will sag as much as your patience will allow during the construction. Lots and lots of links. And being styrene, they're easier to paint and will weather better than the rubber band type tracks, which are an abomination. The hull is a one-piece tub design, making it more rigid and not susceptible to errors in gluing up a multi-piece hull. The only photo etch in the kit are the grates for the engine vents on the rear deck. Looks pretty easy, not something I usually say about photo etch. Inspecting each sprue, I saw not a hint of flash or other imperfections. It looks like all of the super delicate hull fittings are on one sprue. The tow cables, hooks, clevises, etc. should be easy to locate. Just have to keep the bits and bobs away from the carpet monster. The decals are simple, just numbers and crosses, kind of what I expect for late war German armor. The Nazis had their hands full by this point in the war, and if they were lucky enough to get a tank made before the factory was leveled, they didn't waste time painting emojis or stick figure families on them. Odd that almost all of the numbers have 3 in them. What's up with that? The optional but cool Zimrit surfaces in the kit are on 2 sheets of rubber-like self-adhesive material. The pattern is very uniform, unlike the surfaces I've seen in war photos, but the crisp pattern should make for a visually striking model. I hope it takes paint well. Well, that's what's in the box. This is my first Trumpeter kit, and I'm anxious to get started. I'm not going to do a build video, as this looks very, very standard in construction, and my skills are marginal at best, but I might do a post-build update. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling.